I'm making a Toll House chocolate chip cookie pie today. It's so rich and creamy. You're going to love it, and it's so simple to make. So let's get started on Darlene's Table. I'm going to start out by beating these eggs until they're frothy. Then I'm going to add the brown sugar and the white sugar and the vanilla. Now mix again until this is smooth. This looks good, nice and smooth. And now the flour. That's the flour and the salt. So blend again until smooth. So scrape the sides down and blend again. Now I'm going to add the softened butter. It's very soft, and I'm going to beat it in until smooth. All right, this is looking good. Make sure the butter is blended completely in and you don't see any of it. I'm going to fold in the pecans and the chocolate chips. Does it look more like a chocolate chip cookie now? Okay, there we go. Blend this in real well and it'll be ready to go into the pie crust as is. Here's my pre-baked, nice and flaky homemade crust. So all of the batter will go in and then we're going to smooth it out so we have a nice flat top. You can buy a pie crust. They're pretty good these days, or you can make your own. My recipe for Ruby's no-fail pie crust is on my website. So you saw how easy that was. So easy to put together. No leavening. This pie is not going to rise up like a cookie. Because I pre-baked the crust, I'm now putting this ring around it so I don't want the edge getting real brown. All right, so it's going to go into the oven at 325 degrees for an hour and 15 minutes. The last 15 minutes, I'm going to cover it with a sheet of foil so that it doesn't brown too much. All right, see how brown it is? That's why I'm putting the foil over it. I don't want it to get any browner. Just the last 15 minutes. All right, this pie is ready. Now onto the cooling rack and remove the silicone pie ring. We're gonna let it cool, but it is going to be served warm. Toll House chocolate chip pie is a fabulous dessert, capturing the timeless appeal of a classic chocolate chip cookie only in the form of a pie. The pie features a homemade flaky crust that cradles a sweet filling made from a delightful blend of eggs, sugar, flour, butter, and of course, an abundance of chocolate chips. When baked to perfection, the result is a gooey and satisfyingly sweet pie with a perfect balance of textures. This is a fun little pie, combining the nostalgic chocolate chip cookie and a rich indulgence of a pie. When served with a scoop of ice cream, which I didn't have, it really is a treat that will definitely satisfy any sweet tooth craving. That's all for this video. Thanks again for watching at Darlene's Table.